Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to NYC Motor Life. Today we're doing an unboxing video. So I ordered the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So I decided to make an unboxing video for the viewers. So let's open it. So out of the box it's just a letter, the invoice. So I ordered the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic 46mm. I ordered the cellular version, the LET. So put this on the side. That's it in this box. So this is the watch. Just the descriptions. This is Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic LET Bluetooth Wi-Fi GPS. So let's open it. Wow, looks good. Oh, hold on, there's something else inside. In this packing, I think it's just a charger. Let's take that out. Just a normal USB to watch charger. Put this on the side. Wow. So this is it, guys. This is my first Galaxy Watch. I tried to buy the bigger one, 46mm. I like the build quality. Okay. So it has 20. I don't know, the camera just gonna catch it now. 20mm band. It's like a rubberized strap. It's very smooth and good quality. And this is the bezel. Feels so good. I recently bought it, the Apple Watch, which is the latest one. I like it. And I also want to try a Galaxy, but the design of it, I like this one. This is the classic version. I don't like the regular one because it doesn't have this bezel. So let's turn it on. There you go. This is the power button. Had this watch for a week, just being busy with the work, didn't get a chance to open the box. So today I'm opening it. I like the quality, the weight. There's a way much difference The Apple is so lighter, and this is a little bit heavier than the Apple one. Next, I'll just turn it on. I didn't set anything on the phone yet. Let's see if it connects it by itself or you have to go through. I have no idea yet that how it's gonna work. Guys, go with the classic, I'm telling you. It's turning on. See, I didn't connect it, so let's connect it for the first time. Confirm. Confirm. This is the first time I'm connecting the Galaxy Watch with my Galaxy S21 Ultra. I recently bought this phone. So far I loved it. I loved it a lot. Okay. Agree. Okay. Galaxy Watch 4 plugin, access your contacts, allow. Continue. It says might take few minutes, and on the watch it's saying check your phone to complete the setup. So let's see. Next, it says set up mobile plan. Use your T-Mobile plan. Use plan. Okay, so welcome to your T-Mobile. Now you can call, text on your watch using your T-Mobile plan on your phone number. Next. Finishing up. Guys, with the look wise, tell me in the comments which one you like better, Apple or the Galaxy. I actually personally like the look of the Galaxy Classic. Apple, I've been using it, it's okay, but definitely I'm gonna start using this more. As soon as it got connected, it's showing me Galaxy Classic battery life. Not now. Watch faces. I'll just take this one. Okay, now on the watch is saying start. Swipe down. Okay. So guys, this is it. This is the unboxing video. of the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. I hope you guys like it, and if you do like the video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.